Hello my dear students. In this session I am going to discuss trick to solve cube root in solid state chemistry. This age length a cube. From a cube we need to find the value of e. These we observe in density related problem. Here are some examples of A3. This is the value of a cube 43.375 into 10 to the power minus 24 centicube. From these, we need to find the value of E. This is one more example. This we have to find the value of A. This is one more example. We have to find the value of A. I didn't select these examples normally. I will show you where I selected these examples, and really many students feel difficulty while calculating the value of A from A cube. But don't worry, I am here for you to clear all your worries regarding this A cube, and from this A cube, from next time onwards, you will feel little comfortable while solving A cube. Before going through that, I will show you a small trick. First, write the cube of number 1 to 10. Like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, and the last 10 cube is 1000. See, these are the cube roots. One time practice these cube roots and simply think is 2 cube is 8, so the 20 cube will be 8000. Like that, 3 cube is 27, then the cube of 30 will be 27,000. Just you put 30 after the number, so you will find the cube of 30, 40, 60, and so on. So these are the cube root is 10 to the power cube is 1000, 20 cube is 8000, 30 cube is 27,000, like that right up to here. So students, now the trick is 3x square. What is the 3x square concept? 3x square means, for example, we are finding the cube of 30. Now substitute the value of x with 30. Then it is how much 3 into 3? 3 into 3 is 9. After that, we need to put 2 0. Because so 30 we are squaring, then a into 3. 2700 almost, which is equals to 3000. Next number, suppose if you add 3000 in 27,000, we get the cube root of 31 cube. So this is the value of cube of 31. Are you following? And next number also, if you add more 3000, you will get the cube of 32. Here, if you add 3000, you get 31 cube, and then again add 3000, you will get the cube of 32. Like that, this is a way of finding next cube. For example, 41 cube, how much 40 cube is 64,000, and 41 cube is how much? How to find the next number? 3x square is the formula. What is x here? 40. We are finding. So 3 into 40 square. 3 into 4 square is 16. 2 0 we put 4800, which is almost equals to 5000. I am rounding it because it makes your calculation easier. 5000 means next number you have to add 5000, you will get the cube of 41. 41 cube is 69,000. For example, 51 cube, we want 1,25,000 is the value of 50 cube. How you can do easily 50 cube? Just if you remember, 5 cube is 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. After that, you should put 30. Next number. Next number 51 cube. What is the difference, students? 7500 is the difference. How we got the difference? 7500. What is the formula? Again I am telling you 3x square. 3 into 50 square. For what we are finding? 50. So 3 into 50. 3 into 5 square is 25. We need to put 20 because 50 square. Then 7500 is the next number. Let us see how we have find from this value to how to get a value. A cube equals to 43.375 into 10 to the power minus 24. This is the number. Now remove the decimal point from this value first of all. 43375 into 10 to the power minus 24 will be 10 to the power minus 27 because after decimal 3 digits are here 1, 2, 3 and add 3 digit in 24, 24 got 25, 26, 27. So we write up 10 to the power minus 27, in which you have to remove the point. You have to get the number here that you should find, that you can find the cube root easily. Clear? In such a way you have to remove the point. For this finding cube root is easy. 3 4 3 3 7 5 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3, because a value is finding for this, you will find cube root of 43375. So solve it. 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. Here how much you getting 10 to the power minus 9. This part is easy. Now do this part. For this part, we find cube root of 43375. What is the value of 43375? Means this is number between which one? 27,000 and 64,000. 27,000 and 64,000. So let it round it. 44,000. For example, so what is the difference between 44,000 and 27,000? Here we almost difference of 17,000. But what is the next number difference? Will be 3,000 in the next number difference. So 3,000, how many time you need to add to go up to 44,000? Almost 35 cube or 36 cube. Because 30 cube is 27,000. Next, how many 3,000 we have to add to get 17,000? It is around either 35 or 36. In these two, the answer will be. So for example, it is 35 cube. 35 into 10 to the power minus 9 centimeter. Don't confuse yourself. Practice sometime. Sure, this is very helpful for you. This is in centimeter. Then we want answer in picometer. Then multiply with 10 and divide with 10. So we get 35 into 10, 350. This comes up, and 350 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. We know that 1 picometer equals to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Then answer is 350 picometer. Why I did like this? Based on the unit, you have to whatever changes you need to do. Now next question, the value of a cube is 15.5318 into 10 to the power minus 23 centimeter cube. First, remove the decimal. 155,318 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So 155,318 into 10 to the power minus 9. So this is the number is between 50 and 60 cube. So the number is 1,55,318. And this number is between 50 and 60 cube, which is almost near to 1,25,000 means 50 cube. What is the difference? 30,000 is the difference. But here, what is a succeeding number? If you add 7,500, you will get cube of 51. How much you add 7,500? If 4 times you will add 7,500, then you will get 54 cube. 54 cube is how much? 54 into 10 to the power minus 9 centimeter. So this is our example. If we want answer in angstrom, then multiply by 10 and divide by 10. So the answer is 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. We know that 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter is equals to 1 angstrom. So the answer is 5.4. Now students, on the basis of full video, you will find this and tell me the answer. Thank you.